Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable Pebble mode on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So first, what we need to do is we need to basically go over to the settings. So let's scroll down. Now here click settings and now go to running mode. Here we have a Pebble mode. And as you guys can see, with Pebble mode, you can get data on your running form and basically start a workout, running or cycling in the app. Now we can turn it on. And now wear your band as shown and start workout in the app. So as you guys can see, now we have the switched successfully as your running accessory. So here we can manually start a workout and use your running accessory together with another device. Now let's click got it. And now we can start a workout in the app. So we can select auto running, walking, cycling, or a treadmill. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.